Cracking your knuckles doesn't actually cause arthritis like you've been told. We've been warned since childhood that cracking knuckles makes joints bigger or leads to bone issues later in life. We grew up believing that the popping sound is the bone taking damage. But the truth is, that loud pop isn't the sound of bones hitting each other at all. It's actually the sound of gas bubbles bursting in the fluid surrounding your joints. Studies have proven that long-term knuckle cracking doesn't lead to arthritis. Essentially, it's just air escaping, not bone damage.